Elon Musk's SpaceX is now the engine powering one of his biggest AI rivals. And that's not even the strangest part of today's news. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. Duwald. This is Friday, May 15th, 2026. SpaceX just gave Anthropic full access to its Colossus 1 data center. That's over 220,000 NVIDIA GPUs. The kicker? Elon Musk and Sam Altman are actively suing each other. As a direct result, Anthropic is doubling Claude code limits on paid plans. Claude can now dream. Literally, Anthropic's managed agents just got a Dreams feature that lets Claude reflect on past sessions, spotting recurring mistakes, user preferences, and stale assumptions, then cleaning up its memory store for sharper future performance. It's in limited rollout now. Interact AI just launched an AI layer that turns any static website into a live guided product experience. Think of it as a real-time tour guide that answers questions and surfaces value on the spot. Their launch video hit over 2 million views on X. Harvard Business Review just coined a term you'll be using all year, AI fog. UC Berkeley professor Toby Stewart says AI is rewriting the future faster than anyone can plan for it, disrupting degrees, mortgages, career ladders. HBR's advice: optimize for optionality, not long-term plans. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. Duwald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about rival companies sharing AI compute infrastructure in the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.